Hello students, welcome to our online classes. We had started chapter 4 from geography major landforms. In the previous video, we discussed about the three courses of river or the stages of river and the landforms developed by the rivers in their three stages: middle course of the river, upper course of the river, middle course of the river and lower course of the river. So in this video we discussed about the work of glacier and the work of sea currents or waves and the landform developed by the glaciers and sea waves. Let's start today's topic. Work of glacier. Glaciers are the rivers of ice. So glacier किसे कहते हैं? Rivers of ice. The slowly moving ice mass downslope under the impact of gravity is called a glacier. The glacier generally give birth to the erosional landforms in the highlands and depositional landforms in the lowland areas. So this is very important part. The glaciers developed the erosional landforms in the highland areas and the depositional landform in lowland areas, and the glacier eroded its valley by plucking stones and soil, and rivers developed its river erosion take place by eroded the material. So the glacier in the movement of ice is unequal and the top of ice move much faster than its bottom, and the ice in the center also move faster than the ice along the side of glaciers. So what are karevas? Karevas are the erosional landform developed by the glaciers. जो erosion के थ्रू जब ग्लेशियर कोई लैंडफॉर्म बनाते हैं तो उस लैंडफॉर्म्स में हमारा करेवा, सर्क, दो चीज़ें और भी डिफरेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स आर देयर, बट इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट टू लैंडफॉर्म्स, द करेवास एंड द सर्क. So a deep nearly vertical cracks that developed in the upper portion of glacier ice. Look at this picture. These are the deep vertical cracks that developed under the portion of glacier ice, and these deep cracks are known as karevas. So this is the erosional landform developed by the glacier. Next is cirque, a bowl shaped basin high on a mountain. This is a, look at this picture, a bowl shaped basin. Cirque is a bowl shaped basin on basin high on a mountains. We already discussed about the glacier generally give birth, the erosional landforms are developed in the highlands. So cirque is the bowl shaped basin on the mountains. This is a highland area, forms at the uppermost portion of the glacial valley. So it forms on the uppermost portion of glacial valley, freeze thaw mass wasting into a cirque head wall. After ice melt, the cirque is often filled with a tarn lake. So this is all about the erosional landform developed by the glacier. Now depositional landforms, moraines. It is deposited till that the forms a ridge or a moat. Material carried by glaciers such as rocks, sand and silt get deposited, and this deposit form the glacial moraines. So जब भी जो मटेरियल ग्लेशियर्स के थ्रू लाया जाता है, जब वो डिपॉजिट हो जाता है और डिपॉजिट होने के बाद वो एक जगह इकट्ठा हो जाता है तो वो क्या बनाता है? मोराइंस. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. दिस पिक्चर शोज द मोराइंस. There are two types of moraines, lateral moraines and medial moraines. Lateral moraine is a moraine that is deposited along the sides of alpine glacier. So this is the depositional work of glacier. Now work of sea currents or wave. Sea or ocean waves are the most powerful agents of coastal erosion. The erosional and depositional work of sea waves gave birth to the variety of coastal landscapes. So now we are going to discuss about the erosional landforms and depositional landforms developed by the sea waves. So erosional landform, sea cliff. Sea cliff by the action of waves crack against the rocks near a shore, and later cracks become a larger and pieces fall away, and steep slope form called a sea cliff. So look at this picture. This picture shows the sea cliff. A cliff has a steep slope facing the sea. A cliff has a steep slope facing on the sea. In the beginning, the sea wave cut the groove in the rock at the sea level. First, this cut the groove at the sea level, and then the grooves keep on widening the passage of the time. So, after the passage of the time, this groove keeps on widening. सीधी सी बात है ये है कि ये जो क्रैक्स हैं ये धीरे धीरे आके जाके बड़े हो जाते हैं और इसका एरिया जो है वो वाइड हो जाता है. सो दिस इज द इरोजनल लैंडफॉर्म ऑफ ग्लेशियर. Next is arc, sea arc, a cliff eroded from two sides which produces an open area. So this is the picture of cliff when these two cliffs eroded from two sides and which produces an open area. So this open area marks as a sea arc. This is the picture of sea arc. So the cliffs are created here. This is a picture of cliff, but a cliff is when a cliff is eroded from two sides which produce an open area, then it forms a sea arc. Next one is sea stack, a piece of tall rock that remains after the material above the arc eventually erodes away. So if look at this picture, this is the picture of sea arc. When the material erode away and only basically they are formed the gradual erosion and these joints are widened and large hollows. Basically क्या है कि जब ये सी आर्क के चारों तरफ का मटेरियल इरोड हो जाएगा और सिंगल पीस जब रह जाता है, पीस ऑफ टॉल रॉक रिमेन्स रह जाता है, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, सी स्टैक बोलते हैं. Now sea caves. Sea caves form due to the erosion action of waves. So sea caves form due to the erosion actions of waves, and sea sides are carved, form a hole, and this hole is called as sea caves. So sea caves are formed due to the gradual erosion of weak and strongly joined rocks by the sea waves. This picture creates a sea caves. This picture shows us sea caves, and these sea caves are formed due to the gradual erosion of weak and strongly joined rocks by a sea waves, and these joints are widened into a large hollows, and these large hollows are known as sea caves. Depositional landforms, beaches. Beaches are formed by the depositional work of the waves, and sand and soil temporarily deposit to form the beaches. So beaches are formed by the depositional work of the waves. Next is lagoon. If a sandbar grows in size and cut in a portion of sea from the main body of water, a salt water lake is formed along the coast, and this is known as lagoon. So this picture shows the lagoon picture. And when sandbar grows in size, जब sandbar बड़ा हो जाता है तो वो क्या करता है, सी के पोर्शन को कट कर देता है और मेन बॉडी ऑफ वाटर से अलग कर देता है और एक सॉल्ट वाटर लेक फॉर्म हो जाती है कोस्ट के बगल में, एंड दिस इज नोन एज lagoon. So this is all about today's topic. In this video, we discussed about the erosional and depositional work of glacier and the sea waves and sea currents. Thank you, students.